what most people do is they start telling a story and figuring out how they're the victim. That's what most people do. They create a little story about how, well, you know, the banks, well, you know, the global crisis, well, you know, the United States, well, you know, Brexit, you know, the UK, well, you know, Donald Trump. You know, everybody's got a story about the environment. I'm going to suggest something to you, and I want you to write this down. There is no such thing as a rich victim. That does not exist. The people who wind up being successful can explain the environment. They're not victimized by the environment. They can explain it, and then the question is, what do I need to do different in order to be successful in this environment? But sitting around and moaning and groaning about, you know, the environment. I mean, shoot, in the United States, we gave... There's universities who gave their students 2 days to grieve after our presidential election. Well, you can grieve all you want, but at the end of the day, it doesn't change what just happened. I mean, what we got to do is figure out what is it that needs to be done in order for us to be successful in this environment.